Damp, poorly ventilated, and dusty environments are excellent hosts for dust mites. However, these insects can also be found in pillows, sofas, stuffed animals, and even on human skin. They are the main culprits for causing allergies and inflammation, such as rhinitis, asthma, rhinoconjunctivitis, and atopic dermatitis. When they attack the skin, although you can't see them with the naked eye, it is possible to recognize if you've been attacked by them. There are several species of dust mites, but all of them bite and suck blood, leaving marks such as red spots and skin lesions. Since dust mite allergies are one of the most difficult to treat, some care and tips can help prevent this discomfort. With a few household methods, you can overcome this problem while preserving your health and your family's health. Here's how to use an ingredient that you have in your refrigerator to eliminate these insects from your home. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Onion. Onions have a strong odor that dust mites cannot tolerate, and therefore act as an excellent repellent against the invasion of these insects. All you need to do is place an onion without its peel and cut in half on your balcony or in places where they can proliferate. Make sure the onion is visible and not hidden behind objects. Change it 2 to 3 days when it no longer has a smell. Baking soda and tea tree essential oil. These two products have antibacterial properties and modify the environment where dust mites usually stay. This prevents the proliferation of these microorganisms and neutralizes odors. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Apply this mixture to the mattress, pillows, and bedding. Leave it on for an hour, scrub with a brush, and remove the excess with a vacuum cleaner. Do this disinfection process once a month. Try out these simple and effective methods to eliminate dust mites from your home and prevent allergies and inflammation. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about these helpful tips.